Hello, America! And it's the American Firecracker. Watch this. Corn syrup on our plate with some blue pop rocks, okay? So what's gonna happen here is we're gonna rim in that corn syrup and then we're gonna rim in the pop rocks. So when you put your lips on this glass, you feel the 4th of July, okay? You feel patriotic. Get some ice in there. Get some grenadine in here. So we layer in this, okay? So that's grenadine. Don't overdo it with grenadine. That's pretty sweet. So we come behind with some ice, okay? And then we mix citrus vodka and a lemonade, okay? And so this is going to be the white. We're going for red, white, and blue. You got it, okay? Stir, 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 or shake, whatever you want to do. Dance with it, prance with it. You name it. You pour that on and you create a second layer. So now we got the red. We have the white. What's the blue? That's right. We coming behind with a blue raspberry vodka, okay? Blue raspberry vodka, we pour that in. Beautiful. Don't try this with blue curacao because I think that most likely would sink all the way to bottom. You're gonna need a blue raspberry vodka. And there you have it. Happy 4th of July, America. Stay tipsy.